Oh, Steve Martin, look at this. He is spraying fields. I've seen small planes. I've never seen a helicopter do it. I'm in the middle of north central Illinois. Beautiful day, rather hot. Summer's always hot, right? Look at the corn, knee-high by the 4th of July. I think they mastered that. I always loved the nice, neat rows of corn planted here in Illinois, in Iowa, Indiana, in many ways the bread basket of the world, in addition to Ukraine, which, as you know, has been undergoing wartime. I'm sure many of the crops have been damaged, ruined, unable to be planted. But this is Illinois. I personally favor Iowa, where I grew up. My wife, she grew up here in Illinois. She doesn't really care for the flat ground. Bob Smith, Mary Smith, Dave Johnson, Sue Johnson, we all live together here in the Illinois Valley, kind of waiting for the helicopter to come back. Meantime, I'm going to walk over to the corn and let you see how tall it is. My camera is at eye level. I'm 5'9". There's eye level. And there's the top of the stalks, tassels. The corn is beginning to be brought forth. Look at how perfect these rows are. Days gone by, they used to have fences, but it didn't allow the farmers to use the full field, so they started taking the fences out. Makes sense. Let's go over here. These are soybeans. As in common in the Midwest, they rotate crops. One year they'll plant soybeans. Next year they will plant corn. Corn uses a lot of nitrogen. Soybeans, you can see these ones are flowering, meaning the fruit, the bean pods, will be coming forth. I'll get eye level here so you get an idea of that. Actually, my knees are bended. And these two have perfect rows. I grew up on the farm till I was about 3 or 4 in Minnesota. Then my parents moved to Cedar Falls, Iowa. They spray, of course, to keep the bugs and weeds down. I guess it's a little more effective than going over the fields with the tractor and the spreaders behind him. Let's see how close I can get without being sprayed on. I'm sure that will bring him consternation if he saw me close. I like taking videos of the helicopters during the NASCAR Memorial Day race in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've never seen a helicopter do this. Usually, as I said, it's a biplane, a small double-wing plane. You can see the spray coming out behind him. He must be going with the rows, east to west, so you can keep track of where he's at. I'll let you go. Glad you could walk with me. Steve Markin, stay tuned. I have plenty of videos on this trip. Illinois, Iowa, Minnesota, Tennessee coming up for your enjoyment as well as mine. Shalom.